Hello, how are you? How are you today? And people of Evelyn, let's go and begin our classroom today. Another classroom of Python, and today we will talk about tuples. Tuples is something like a list, but it's not a list. You have in Python something that you call list, but you have something more specific that we call tuples. Here, let's go here. We saw in the last classroom something about variables. Do you remember variables that we talk about? Something like that we make a comparison like a box that you put something inside that. But I think that tuples is something more specific. For example, when you have a variable, you have just one thing that you put inside. But when you have a tuple, you put a lot of things inside of that, and you have a way to show it after. So let me see. You have a tuple here. It's like a variable. In my opinion, it's like a variable. We can see like a variable because it's a box too that you put things inside that. You can trust that. And you put cars, name of persons inside in the same variable that we create here. And now we choose something like colors, like yellow, blue, green, and you put everything that you need here inside this variable that we call tuples, and you can print it after. So let's go to our example that you increase more something in our big variable that we have now. We have a big variable with some words like yellow. Here it's not right here. Yellow, and you have blue and green. We have colors inside a variable called tuples. So and you can use something like that to show all the tuples that you have, like a list. You use like that, and you create our first tuple here, like colors yellow, blue and green. So you can print this tuple. You can see here, you can print everything that you put inside, or you can use index to print what you want. You can see we print the blue because the blue is not 2. We put 1 and we printed blue because yellow is 0. So we put 0 here. You can find yellow, and you put here 3. You can find, oh sorry, not 3 because we don't have 3 here. 2, we have green, because 0, 1, 2. Okay, but you can do the other time. You can do something like you use something very near that we did in the last class, but now we use the 4. So 4 color in tuples, tuples, queries or tubs that we have here. The name is different because we have tuples, 4 color in tuples, print color. So we use something to count each element that you have inside your variable, inside your each element that you have inside this box here, and you print each one. So we can use here 4 colors in color, print colors. So you can see here that we printed each color like a list. The principal characteristic of the list that you can change nothing here. You use a list when you want to use a list of elements, names, cars, people, name of persons, address, everything that you want, and you use the list, and you don't need to increase nothing, or you don't need to delete nothing from the list. The list will be the same all the time. She's not so heavy. It's easy to the program to use that, and you can list, you can show the list in the way that you want, or use the print that you used before, like that, using it, or using the index, or using print with index or not, or using in this way with 4 to put everything in a big list. So use that to use in a list. You use that to put in this way, and we use that to choose one color here inside the list. But normally in the list you don't change nothing. What you put inside the box will be inside the box, and you won't change nothing. So was a pleasure to show you how we work with list, and so we will be in the next class to talking about the dictionary. Hello, bye Evelyn, bye, until the next class.